points and what are the features and what are the areas we are using ETL testing right now. We'll discuss in front of you. Okay. What is ETL testing? ETL testing means extract, transformation, and loading. Here, any company are taking the decision, right, based on the data. For example, ICICI Bank is there. ICICI, they are establishing the branch in the uh, existing area. Okay, at the time, they are considering existing data and current data also. For example, what are the savings accounts are there? What are the deposits are there? What are the customers are there? What are the uh, checks out? All the information based on this, they are taking the decision, right? Before taking the decision, they are uh, taking only single format of data. They supported only taking the single format of data. But in the ICICI, for example, HYD branch is there, Chennai, ICICI Bangalore branch is there. Here, the data means here accounts and deposits, customers and employees, all the data. The maintained in Excel sheet. Coming to ICICI, maintaining Notepad. And coming to Bangalore people, tables. Okay. Now, the high level ICICI bank people analyzing the business, but here not supported different formats, right? That is the reason first combining, converting those formats to single formats like tables. Then only they are analyzing the business and to take the decision. Okay. Here, yeah, the combination of different sources to and the data converting to single format for the purpose of doing analysis and to take the decision, right? Here the collection or combination, okay? The collection of data from different sources. Different sources means here Notepad, Excel, table like this. And the data converting to single format of for the purpose of doing analysis and to take the single format means here tables. Okay, here the collection of data from different sources and the data converting to single format for the purpose of doing analysis and to take the decision. Here, who will take the decision? The high, for example, high level people. High level people means here the end user. End user means high level people. Who will take the decision is those people are called high level people. Okay, yeah. Here, one more definition means the ETL testing is the combination of different tools like dev tools, databases, dev tools, databases, test cases, test case management tool, and reporting tool. Yeah. What are the development tools? What are the databases? What are the test case management tools and the reporting tools? We'll discuss one by one. Okay. Actually, here in the ETL testing, developers loading the data from one place to another place. Here, sources, staging, data warehouse, views, or reports, then users. Here, users means who will take the decision. Those people are called users. Okay, here, what is the source and what is the staging? What is the data warehousing? We'll discuss. Okay, the main in the ETL testing, the main concept is data warehousing and databases and test case management tools. And reporting tools will take care those different teams are there. Will take care report development and report tests. They will take care all the things remaining. Okay. Now here, what are the development tools? Here, Informatica, Talent, Datastace, like this. So many tools in the market available right now. Coming to databases, Teradata SQL, Oracle SQL, DB2, like this. And coming to test case management tools, here, Zero, Rally, QC, HPLM, so many tools in the market available. Coming to reporting, Cognos, Power BI, PowerMe, W, Review, like this. Here, as a ETL tester, what we'll do, and as a developer, what we'll do in the ETL testing. Yeah. Coming to this phase to this phase. I'm taking this phase right now. Phase one. Yeah. Here, developers loading the data from source to staging. Here by using some development tools like Informatica. Yeah. Developers loading the data from source to staging by using Informatica development tool. Coming to second phase, yeah, here also, yeah, again, they are using Informatica from staging to data warehousing, they are loading. Okay, here the thing is, for example, in the source having some data. In the source means the collection of different sources, right? Different sources to developer loading the data from different sources to staging. Here, staging, what will do? Coming to staging, converting different formats of data to single format of data. And here applying business rules. Business rules means here client requirements. Staging will take care like this only. Converting different formats of data to single format and apply business rules. Based on the business rules, they are again loading the data from staging to data warehousing. Data now, till now, any doubts, team? Please confirm to me. Hello. Uh, Anyone, please confirm to me. Any
I'm
doubts
good,
or
Vishnu.
any? Till now, good, right? Yeah. Okay, fine. ETL testing means the collection of different data from different sources and converting single format of data and for the purpose of doing analysis and to take the decision. And the combination of different tools, development tools, databases and test case management tools and reporting tools. In the source to data warehousing and after that views is there and after that reports are there. After that only users will take the decision. Here, report developers and report testers, they are developing the reports. Based on the reports, users will see the data and to take the decision. As ETL tester, till data warehousing will validate the data. So, like developers loading the data, that data properly loaded or not. As ETL tester, we are verifying. For example, here 1,000 records of data is there. Here also, developers loading the data from source to staging. Here also, 1,000 records data available. As a QA, we are verifying. So properly loaded or not. 1,000 records are available or not in the staging, we are verifying. Okay. Same way, 1,000 records available or not, we are verifying as a QA. Sometimes different types of data available. Like for example, here as ID, as name, salary, three columns. Here also SID, as name, salary column. Here SID 1, name ABC and salary 1,000. Yeah, like this data we have in the source. Same data, yeah, they are loading like this. As a tester, we are verifying properly. Yeah, here this is called structure. SID, SName, salary. Properly loaded or not, we are verifying. Here, SID is there, SNAME is there, SAL is there. Here, SID is there. After that, SANE and SAL after that column. but it's a wrong loading, right? Is it correct or not? Can you check once? Here, SNAME, SANE only is there. That is the mismatched data. This is structure is the wrong loading. Same way, data wise. Here, 1, ABC, and 1000. First record also 1, ABC, 1000. Properly loaded. And same way, second record, sec2, XYZ, and 2000. And here also 2, XYZ, and 2000. Now, data-wise properly loaded, but structure-wise wrongly loaded. That is the defect. As like this way, we are verifying. And count aspect. Coming to here, how many records are there? Two records, right? In the target also, two records available or not, we are verifying. Okay. For example, properly loaded like this one. Yeah, properly loaded. So source and target both are same, like structure correct and record wise correct and data wise also correct. Same way, we are verifying staging to data warehousing. Here, the client requirement is only salary equal to 1000 they are expecting. At the time, developers loading the data from staging to data warehousing like this only. Here, condition is salary equal to 1000 only. Based on this condition, developers loading the data from staging to data warehousing by using Informatica. Here, development is completed, developers loading the data from source to target successfully. Then, as a tester, we are verifying. Yeah, in the source, structure wise, same. After that, coming to count wise, count here is 2, and in the target, count is 1. What is the difference? Why? Because here in the source, to salary equal 2000 related data also available. That is the reason count is more. Now, based on the client requirement, we are verifying count equal salary equal to 1000 or not. We are verifying that type of records. We are verifying. Okay, clear till now? Till now, any doubts, team? Team? Yeah. Here, extraction, transformation, and loading. Extraction means different formats of data loading. Here, transformation means here we can apply some business rules and conversion of data for single format. Okay, and loading means one place to another place, like a source to staging and staging to data warehousing. Now we'll discuss difference between sources to data warehousing. The next topic is difference between sources means ODS sources and DWH. DWH means data warehouse. Okay. Yeah. ODS data warehouse. Yeah. Sources data warehouse. In the source is called as operational data source. Data warehousing means DWH means data warehousing. Yeah. Coming to one by one, we'll discuss. Here, the thing is mainly data volatile. Volatile means keep on changing. Here, ODS means is the maintaining the current data, and data warehousing maintaining history plus current data. For the analyzing the business and to take the decision at the time, we need current data and historical data. Historical data means previous year and 1 year back and 2 years back and 10 years data also. Based on this data only, they are analyzing the business. Yeah. Coming to data warehousing, data is non-volatile. And coming to second point here, less amount space available. Huge amount of space available in the data warehousing. Why required huge amount? Why required less amount? I will give you. Here, the thing is the less amount of data available. Why? Here is the current data. For example, today's data only is available in the ODS. And coming to data warehousing, huge amount of data available. Huge amount of data means here history plus current. That is the reason required huge amount of space also required here. Yeah, and coming to fourth point, running the business. Here, analyzing the business. Here, based on the history and current data, they're analyzing the business and to take the decision. That is the reason. Yeah, huge amount of space required, huge amount of data also available here. Coming to fifth point here, here non-redundant data available. Redundant means duplicate data. And in the data warehousing, redundant data required. Why? Because, for example, one customer came to ICICI Bank, for example, here the same person uh, first time depositing some amount, after that withdrawing some amount. Here the thing is a- account number is same and account person name is same, but transactions different. One is the deposit and one is the withdrawal. That is the reason we have two records. In the ODS, only current details only available. Current detail means this in this example, current data is withdrawal the amount. That transaction available in the ODS. In the data warehousing, deposited transaction also available and withdrawal transaction also available in the data warehousing. That is the reason data warehousing maintaining the current data and history data also. But in the ODS, maintaining only current data. Yeah. End user is employee only. Here, high level people who will take the decision, right? Those people only available in the end user, the data warehousing end users. Yeah. And coming to technology wise, OLTP technology used. And here, yeah, OLTP means here, yeah, online transactional process. Here, OLTP means online analytical process. Here, unorganized data available. Unorganized means here Notepad and Excel tab, something different XML formats are there. Those called as unorganized data. That is the reason this is called unorganized data available here only. After that only staging coming to the picture, staging will converting unorganized to organized data and transforming to data warehousing. The here is organized data available here. Those are the differences between ODS and data warehousing. Any doubts till now, team? Team, any doubts?
All good, Vishnu.
Till now? Yeah, okay, thank you. Thanks for confirmation. Yeah, the thing is, till now what we discussed, what is ETL testing, why we are using, what are the different tools using in the ETL testing, what are the development tools, what are the databases, what are the test case management tools, what are the reporting tools, and coming to the architecture and data flow. Source system, after that staging and data warehousing, views or reports and users. And after that, I'm taking one example. Yeah. After that only, what are the staging responsibility? After that, difference between ODS and data warehousing. Okay. And in the real time, based on the client requirement, for example, company one, Yeah. Based on the client requirement, projects like they are using development tool, Informatica, and database, Teradata, SQL, and reporting tools, Zira, Cognos. This combination. Some companies, Informatica, Oracle SQL, W, and QC, like this. And another companies like that, Dataspace, or me like this. Based on the client requirement, they are using this combination. Most of the companies and most of the projects are using this combination only. 95% of projects all are using Informatica data space and sometimes data space, and most of the cases Informatica, Teradata, and Zira, Cognos. Reporting tools aspect, some changes are there, or Cognos and Tableau, something based on their requirements. Yeah. And coming to content wise here, uh, in this course, we will discuss ETL testing course content like this. Yeah. Data warehousing main concepts and ETL concepts and validations in the ETL testing. And coming to Teradata SQL aspect, so many concepts. And here, ETL testing activities and different development tools and some special concepts SDLC and SDLC and defect lifecycle. These all are comes under manual testing aspect also. Uh, that is the bonus concepts in this course. Okay. And Teradata, yeah. Here, informatic aspect, what is repository, what is workflow monitor, what is workflow monitor and manager, and workflows on workloads, all those things we'll discuss. And coming to developers loading the data from one place to another place, right? At that time, they are using Informatica transformations like filter, router, like this. Okay. In this Informatica, 3 to 4 transformations I will explain to you in this course. And coming to real-time scenarios and real-time concepts I will give you. And coming to resume aspect, sample resumes, 2 to 3 sample resumes I will prepare and share to all. And some special concepts. How to, for example, sometimes loading the data from source to target, sometimes mismatched data is there. In the previous example, yeah, here SID, yes name, sal. Here SID, yes name, sal. Sometimes mismatch structure is there. At the time, you can raise the defect, right? And raise the defect and assign to one particular developer. That aspect also, I will give the defect lifecycle management. And each and every software development aspect is SDLC and STLC is STLC also required. Here also different levels like how to get the requirements and how to analyzing the business and how to write the test cases. That aspect I will give you. And Jira also, how to raise the defect and how to raise the user story and how to assign the user story to particular person. Why we are using Agile in the market right now. I will give you all the things. Yeah. Here, data warehousing concepts aspect. What is data warehousing? Why we are using and difference between OLTP, OLEP. and architecture aspect and data mart and here different types of tables are there, fact tables and dimension tables and different schemas are there. And coming to ETL testing concepts like yeah, and coming to validation aspect of metadata validations and duplicate validations and data validation and count validations also will take care in these sessions, later sessions. Yeah. And here also ETL content wise set different DML command, DCL, DRL, DDL commands and set operators and case statement and collapse and null and joins also and OLAPs also and initial and incremental loads also aspect will explain in this session and how to prepare the test cases and how to execute the test cases. Yeah, yeah. Any doubts content wise, team? And hello team, hello team.
Yeah, Vishnu, we can hear. All good. So I just want to
Yeah,
check one thing. So do you
yeah.
also provide training on Rocket Software Universe by any chance? The
No. So what
okay.
is the purpose of this one? I didn't get that one exactly.
That is also based on the sequel. So
Okay,
but
okay.
it's
Actually,
based
all
on
our projects are right now using cloud aspect and Teradata SQL and Oracle SQL and SQL Server also match most of the projects using this one and some projects this data to migrating to cloud. At the time, they are using cloud softwares like cloud tools like Snowflake like this, AWS like this. Yeah.
yeah. So you're also covering the migration examples, right?
Yeah,
In this.
examples, yeah, real-time examples I will take care. Yeah.
Okay,
Now
sure.
I'm doing some job, right? Yeah, at the time I'm taking some examples, I'm taking some screenshots and share to team. In the previous
So
company, I the documents
okay.
also some share to team. Yeah. And daily wise and in this in the session I mentioned in the notepad only, right? This notepad also shared to team once session completed after that only the same notepad hand over to your people.
Okay. So
Yeah.
which cloud you're going to cover? Like, is it AWS or Azure? Which?
Cloud aspect is not covered that is the different technology, but in
Okay.
this the course will cover um, Teradata SQL and Informatica, some concepts, and actually Informatica also some different course. But in this course, we'll cover more some concepts. What topics required as ETL tester? The topics will cover, and the test case management tool aspect Zira I will cover. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay. Thank you.
yeah. Team, having any doubts on technical wise, please contact to me. Actually, in the WhatsApp, we maintain one group, right? If having any doubts, please post that your doubts in the group, okay? And fee details and the fee aspect, if having any doubts, please contact one number I will give you. Yeah. If required, I will give you. His contact is his name is Kumar. Yeah. and the course structure and the fee structure and timings, all those things, they will take care. Okay. Yeah. Any doubts till now? If having any doubts, I will let I explain to you, or else I will close the session for today. Team, any doubts? Yeah. Um, for today, I will close the session. But okay, if don't have any doubts, I will close the session. Thanks for joining. Thank you all.